Hello everyone, this is Jayesh and today we're gonna unbox and review the new OnePlus 6 mobile freshly from Amazon. So let's do it. This is the box. Only a 6 written here. This is the OnePlus 6 officially unboxed in front of you. USB cable, charger that charges the whole mobile a day charge in half an hour. There's a case inside it for the mobile. So this is the mobile with the cover on. This is the back side and this is the front side. You can see the mobile is but a fingerprint magnet. Yeah. It's a fingerprint magnet, no doubt. But then the camera, you see there are two cameras here, the top one and the bottom one for telescopic photos. That's kind of cool. It's a 16 megapixel camera, back camera, and that's kind of great. So we have a well-placed fingerprint sensor. So when I keep this in my left hand, if I generally use it from my left hand, you should also use it in your left hand. It's very well placed, you know. It's very good to hold. Yeah, it's very easy to hold in one hand. That's great. This is my Oppo F3 Plus phone, and this is OnePlus 6. And if you compare these two side by side, you can see that this is comparatively small. The screen area here is greater. The speaker is down here, so while you're playing games like this, if you want to play games, the sound might have an issue. Now if you try to take photo, it's quite fast. Nice. We can take good videos also. Take a video here. At 4K, this looks pretty fine, and you see, you get a cinematic look when you take the video. Okay, whenever you take the video, you get quite good cinematic look here, isn't it? And the processor, no doubt, is quite fast. Snapdragon processor, and that's kind of really cool processor out there. That is really good. The focus is also working quite fine, and 4K, nice. Even if we go very close to the object, we have focus here, but not if we go very close. It's not a macro lens here, but that's kind of, you know, great. The camera is great. It's cool. This is 4K 60 FPS. And that is 4K 60 FPS video, isn't it? And it pans very smoothly, the video, all thanks to the Snapdragon processor and 6 GB of RAM. Front camera is also good. If I flip it back, it's kind of great. Focusing system is cool. That's a good photo here. WhatsApp video call here now. So you see, now I'll place the back switch here, and this gets minimized. See, so we can now do other work, and the video call is in line. I can do any other work. I can check my images and stuff here, and the video call remains minimized here. That's kind of cool. I can click it again to make it full screen. It's great. It won't unlock when everything is locked here. You need to first click that button, it comes to life, and then it gets unlocked. Okay, click that button, comes to life, then gets unlocked. Kind of cool right now. This mobile is very good to hold. It has glass, mirror black glass look, so it's kind of shiny and very cool. And the back camera are telescopic photos, and then fingerprint sensor here is at a very good position to, you know, click the face unlock here. This works quite well, and it has 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 GB of storage. It has higher model of 8 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and there is another 256 GB storage that's not yet released in India here, but it still is there. It's kind of cool. The 4K 60 FPS is a great functionality here to the camera here, and then the Snapdragon 845 just makes this smoothness more better in 4K video. It looks like we are running knife through butter, and it's kind of great. And if you wanna shoot slow motions, 4K 60 FPS, that's kind of a cakewalk. It's great. So I totally recommend this phone, guys. Go for it. OnePlus 6. Kudos. See you in the next time. Peace.